Okay, gonna do a quick little video here. Had to do some Christmas shopping today, so I figured I'd buy myself a little something while I was out. And local Target had this blaster box for Topps Update Series, and we got 7 packs, and it looks like 70th anniversary patch card guaranteed. But you can pull autos. Oh, there's the 70th anniversary. So you can pull autos in here, so hopefully we get lucky. But here we go. So it was $19.99 at the local Target. They must have just restocked because they had a bunch of them. They had the hanger boxes as well. Those were $9.99. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One of those, that one felt a little thicker, so we'll open it last. Looks like we got 14 cards per pack. And there's the odds. So just like anything these days, there's tons of parallels and refractors and autos and everything else you can think of. So hopefully we get lucky and pull something good. Rookie, Andre Jimenez. Another rookie, Luis Patino. Jose Quintana. Tyler Zuber. Oh, there's a Joey Bart rookie. Chris Owings. Ali Sanchez. Oh, there's a chrome. Juan Soto. That's nice. Carlos Correa. Casey Mize. It's a rookie. Must be a throwback right there. Joe Musgrove. Tutsugo. Nick Anderson. Travis Shaw. Not bad. Decent rookies in that first pack. There we go. Pack number 2. Rookie debut, Ke'Bryan Hayes. There we go. Jordan Leplo. Khalil Lee. Adam Duvall. Robbie Dalbeck, rookie debut. Nagowski. Mike Fultawin. I can't say his last name. Oh, there's a Mookie. Luis Gonzalez, rookie. There's a Mookie Betts, 35-year anniversary. Oh, there's another Mookie. Another one of those throwback. Funkhauser, Ross Stripling, John Bertle, Birdie, and Brad Hand. All right, pack number 3. Okay, Taylor Trammell, Sam Huff, Luis Garcia, Martin Maldonado, Matt Shoemaker, Tyler Wade, Devi Garcia, Jamison Taillon. There's a Luis Garcia rookie. Angel Rondon rookie. Seth Brown. Will Harris. Nate Lowe. All right. Got 4th pack now. There's 99 total cards in this box. All right. Asdrubal Cabrera. Jordan Holloway. Raziel Iglesias. Rodriguez. Cahill. Nope, there's some color back there. Looks like maybe a silver. Andrew Stevenson. Oh, yeah. What's this? All right. It's Albert Pujols. Is that numbered? Yeah, that is numbered. Out of 2021. So numbered Albert Pujols. Cool. And then a rookie debut of Tyler Stevenson. Looks like a chrome. Rafael Devers, Chris Guytons, Matt Moore, and Chad Cole. All right, so one sticking back there. Josh Stammet. So we got one numbered card, Pujols. Cardinals fan, so I'm always a fan of Pujols. Okay. 3 packs to go. Yeah, that one definitely is thicker right there, you can see. So we'll open that one last. Okay. DJ Peters, CJ Cron, Aldemis Diaz, can never say his name, even when he was a Cardinal. Ryan Mountcastle, it's a good rookie. There's the other Pujols, the non-numbered. Mitch Moreland. Urena. Michael Wacha, former Cardinal. Brad Miller, another former Cardinal. There's a Cardinal right there. Yadi. Chris Archer. Ronald Torres. Clark Schmidt. Frenchie Cordero. All right, the last of the thin packs here. I imagine that 70th anniversary card is in the thick pack, but who knows? Could be something really good. We'll see. Okay. Jackson. Jimmy Lambert. Jared Kelenic. Mariners rookie there. Joey Gerber. Wilson Ramos. Casali. John Lester. Carlos Rondon. Oh, there's another Kelenic rookie right there. Some throwback card right there. 70-year throwback. Jacob deGrom. Connor Brogdon. Franklin Cologne. And Eric Gonzalez. And Steven Duggar. All right, here's the thick pack. So fingers crossed we get a nice big hit, but we'll see. All in all, got some good rookies. So we'll get these all sleeved up after we open this up. Oh, there's a die cut something in there. So let's see what we got. Let's see here. New teammates. Sean Doolittle. Hard to read these. It's a bad thing about this set. Jackie Bradley Jr. Trevor May. Rookie debut. Oh, Jonathan India. There we go. Jake Cronenworth. There we go. Guess that's not a rookie. Oh, here's a die cut. Tom Glavine, Platinum Players. And there's the thick card. Roy Campanella, 70-year commemorative patch. It's kind of cool. Set that to the side. Oh, there's another Kelenic rookie. James Paxton. Rookie. Tyler Stevenson. Dylan Moore. And Chase Anderson. So, you can see we got a pretty decent stack of rookie cards. We got the one numbered Albert Pujols. And then this one guaranteed per blaster box, commemorative patch. So, pretty cool. All right, well, $20, that was fun. Didn't pull out anything, major autographs or anything, but that was definitely fun to open. So, thanks for watching. Good luck pulling some good cards. Merry Christmas.